pa kami.
Coalition.
Patay na Lord, capture na.
Sige.
Lala, medyo malayo pa sila sa door.
Yo, everyone dismount sa southeast side.
Ilan demon sa PT1?
Everyone dismount, kompleto. Everyone doon
Ano
sa
po,
southeast side.
level 19 na.
Okay.
19 yung BM ah.
Dismount yun.
Level 12 lang
Yo,
yan. Check na ako.
pa-watch lang ng southwest.
Going back ako.
Okay, pa-watch lang ng southwest. Everyone, come. Okay, hold.
Yo, dito na yung coalition sa west side.
Okay.
Isang depth tank ka magano dito. Clamper ako. Going northwest to, going north on ping. Ito
Okay, one depth tank, can you guys watch?
May nag-zone in, isa pang blob
Going north. Ako magche-check sa southwest.
Si Griffin Empire yata yun eh.
Kaya walang pumupukpok dito sa west side.
Ako nang titingin na south.
Ikaw na dito ko.
Yung isa na, yung nasa north, ano yan? Going northwest na.
Kaya itong nagsa-south.
Griffin, level
pupunta
14.
sa southeast ng gate.
Okay.
This is reporting to Griffin.
Hindi, south lang sila pala, south ng castle.
Yung
Open world
nasa
yata
north, ano
tong
yan?
tatlong tumod.
Puto na mag-open world sila, panoorin ko sila.
Sa atin kasi.
Panoorin ko talaga sila.
Manalo ka Arnett.
Listen. OC, everyone, OC, okay? You're ready, they play fast engage, okay? Careful in the front. They play fast engage, okay? My supports, you have to react faster in depth tanks, okay? And one on 13 also. Yo, come back. Yo, just give me info what's happening on the other gate. Defense is shallow.
Lamp.
Namatay ba? Okay, good. Southeast na gate, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Southeast shallow. Good clap. Come back fast. Yo, they're gonna engage soon. Help my front.
Okay, coalition booking southwest gate.
Okay, yeah. Let them. You can. Tell me once they, next gate na, okay? Western yata nasa likod eh. Yo, one stay here, okay? One stay here. Wait. One depth tank stay there. What's happening?
Nag-out na ng PM ah.
Come south. Walk with me lang. So get ready. Ready. Hold.
Inching up sa gate yung
Come back. Yo, one scout lang there.
Kukulit
BM pumupukpok ulit ah.
Okay.
Mag-reossi ka na lang, baka makalimutan.
GG ko to.
Seriously. Go, G.
GG ko na.
Hold lang. Give me a fake if you can. Give me a fake. Come back. You're ready counter, ready defenses. The front, okay? Ready defenses. Stop my front. We're gonna headbutt. Get ready for a headbutt here, okay? Hold. Walk up a bit. East side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Now clap this fast. Ready defenses. Okay, full defend now. Full defend and come back. Cleanse. Close on the choke. Come back. Alright, just hold lang. Yo, hold. Give me a fake. Walk up, give me a fake. Ready headbutt. Come back. Hold. Ready, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. On the gate only. Alright, come back fast. Okay, what's happening sa kabilang side?
Wala. Coalition.
Yo, spread. Yo, gates broken ha. Hold lang tayo. Chill lang. Okay, chill lang. Just chill. Get ready. Wait.
Pull ng northeast.
Yeah, just chill.
Coalition.
Dismounted na yung demo.
Just chill here. Tama naman ang population para gawin. Pero just chill here.
Nasa south yung coalition.
No. Nakamili tayo. Majority Inferno sites eh.
May A3 coalition na, longbow.
Wait.
Wala ko'y demon. Wala ko'y
I think na-mark.
Party.
Papaslead pala, papaslead ko.
What's happening to them? Any scout?
Nagmamount up. Hindi. Teka.
Wala.
Go open world. Nagmount up yung TFD.
Yo, come back inside.
Ba't kayo lumalabas?
BM coming.
Mounted up din yung... Hindi.
Yo, borrow me coming. Here.
Mounted mo.
Okay. Yo, pa-watch ulit ng west side, okay? Yung nandun na ulit sila eh. Yo, come back north a bit. Come back north. Everyone, walk up north. People at the west side, hello? Are you bingi? Oh, hindi. Come back. Never mind. Anong ginagawa ng TFD? Umiikot?
May ikot. Ito.
Yo, get ready. Give me a fake on the choke. Wait, hold. Give me a fake, okay? Hold lang. Yo, get ready. Walk up now. East side, get ready, ah. Wait. Oh, come back. Never mind, come back. Stop na tayo.
Okay, iwan ko muna
Ready
ng west.
defense, ready defense, okay? Hold lang, okay? What's happening? More armies, right?
Wala.
Yung TFD yata nasa east side nila dapat eh.
Yep.
Come back inside, boys. Come back inside. You feel it now. Come back inside. I don't know what to do. Come back.
Going back
boys.
na pala.
Come back. Just hold inside. Yo, clear my death tanks. Mag-solo engage lang kayo dyan. Come back. You don't need to stay there. You can stay inside and just stop them sa choke. Okay? You can stop them at the choke. Kill yan hoods, ha? Once they try to pass through the choke, okay? Hold lang.
Arctic stuff.
Hold. Coco, give me a fake. Coco. Defense shallow. Heal Coco pa. Heal Sarap. Harap mismo. Come back. Hindi ka dun, ha? Hold lang. Come back northwest. Mas shallow engage kayo sa gate eh. I want them to engage deep past the gate, okay?
Naririnig ko yung laro.
Deep past the gate lang.
Masyado kayong madami dito sa tower, ah. Uy,
Ingat sa tower, baka mabump kayo. Nag-engage over the wall yan, ha? Care.
masyado kayong madami dyan.
Just spread northwest side. DPS, you can stay northwest side
Low,
mismo.
low,
Defense is
low.
shallow. Oh, guess what? I'm talking about. Come back. Yo, boys, can you just hold northwest side?
Medyo disbanded na yung battle monster.
Hold in northwest. Healer, hold the northwest. Everyone, hold the northwest. Defense is shallow again.
Shallow.
Tatangan mo.
I
Please,
dismount
let them
ko
in.
na west side TFD.
Please let them in. Left tank. Dito kayo maglaro sa side nito.
Okay na,
Dito kayo
west.
maglaro.
Okay nga, nasa...
Yo, give me a fake, Coco. Give me a fake.
na sila. Yung TFD Mogi, second gate
Hold
na.
lang. Ready defenses, ha? Hold. Get ready. Wait. Defense shallow. Okay. Hold on. Southeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the gate now. Boys on the gate now. Come back fast. Come back north side. Yo, hold them. Death tanks. Peel now.
West gate ka din mo.
Peel now. Come back north gate. Come back. North gate.
Second gate nga ah.
Walk sa west. Yo, pa-dismounted sila. Saan sila?
Naka-dismount.
Fake ako Mugi ah.
I'll go, fake ka. You get ready, west side, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
na nung
west
second
side now. Ay, come back. Yo, lenses up. Yo, help my front. Ready defenses.
8.3, ano ah?
Help me.
Narakan. Longbow.
Okay, just hold. Okay, mas mad-day manage to. Hold lang. Yo, Kara. They're gonna engage, ah. Yo, once they funnel in, once they engage, all my defense walking na. Come back first. Next gate. Come back next gate. Right? Hold in the middle first so I can see everything, okay? Okay, there. Yo, come back from northeast. Look up northeast. Walk up. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast
West
now.
Chica pa, West Chica.
Nag-gain ka pa.
Come back. Yo, careful west side. Come back. Just hold. Yo, huwag kayong magsistay sa choke, okay? Help my front. Huwag kayong magsistay sa choke, okay? Yo, pa-kiss and the beast lang ng west side. Defense on the gate now. Full defense on the gate. Okay, hold lang. Come back, boys. Come back. Just hold.
Did one dito ang west side.
Yo, come back and just hold. Yo, hold lang, okay? Wait. Hold lang, okay?
Hindi, kahit
Ito mo na
one
yung bomb nila.
Yo, east side, get ready. 5, 4, 3,
Wala.
1, east side now. Okay, ready defenses here?
third gate
Ready
na yung
lang, ready lang.
TFD ah.
Okay,
Sure.
defenses now. Heal up.
They have a bomb squad over the wall east. I want an artillery squad though.
Okay. Yo, bomb squad. Care. Okay? One on the arcade, watch that, okay? Yo, don't stay at the choke, boys. Don't stay at the choke, okay? Hold lang. Yo, may party 3, can you brawl this with clericals,
Nina-
With clericals,
In Iraq, careful over the wall. There's a bomb squad.
Okay, hold.
You can hit
Yo,
you.
Walk up. Get ready, northeast
Good
again.
help.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast again. Okay, ready defenses here. They're gonna look. Okay, stop them. Full defend now. Okay, hold them. Walk up a bit. Get ready, Walk up a bit. Northeast, get ready. Walk up. Okay, come back now. Ganda ng field.
Inching up yung TFD sa
Oh,
west
walk
side.
up. Everyone, look at west side. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side deep now. Okay, come back fast. Heal my front fast. Okay. Yo, kill link. Oh, heal link. Put ka nandun. Yo, come southside. Just hold here. Help. Hold lang. Yo, Coco, give me a fake northeast. Ready defenses here. They're gonna look, Hold lang. Oh, they pop. Okay, hold lang. Get ready, You're ready to pop your pots here. Okay? Yo, pop your pots here. Okay, then pop your pots. We're gonna walk in. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now northeast. Northeast now. Then spread. Defenses now. Full defend now. Heal up. Good.
Inching up ulit yung west.
Okay, heal up. Okay. Hold. Takina naman itong paharang na body.
Bati ko eh.
Yo, palut niya mabilis.
Natin yung Elsa.
Yo, ready defend. Yo, ready, look at the J. Ready defense of the J. Okay, defense now. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow.
Lumabas yung TFD.
Kill shallow, okay? Come back, hold only.
Nag-mount up yung TFD Ikot yan.
Okay, good. Just hold, okay? Yo, once TFD
Likuran nila move
Okay.
yan.
Yo, be careful on the gate. Okay? Hold lang. Walk up now. Ready defenses, Spread, boys. Okay, bumalik yata TFD. Come back. Bumalik ba? Come back. Just hold, okay? What's happening?
Pushing na ulit ang...
Coco, get ready to
Di
fake.
iba mounted-
Coco,
mounted
fake northeast. You're ready defenses, Coco, walk up. Defenses now. Walk up now. Shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Yo, pa-cleanse. Come back. Pa-cleanse dun. Come back. Just hold.
West side, nagki-clear lang ng guard.
You're ready defenses, ready defense front. Walk up. Ready defenses on me. Okay? Yo, ready defenses, Hold. Coco, give me a fake again. Give me a fake. Everyone walk up a bit. Left tank's walking. Okay, give me a fake.
Inching up yung west side.
Hold lang. Yo, they're gonna look, we're gonna headbutt. Ready for the headbutt here. Okay,
They
wait.
dismount na. Yo, Fred, Mogi. They dismount na.
Okay, yo, get ready. Give me a fake west side. Give me a fake west side. Okay, come back.
Complete na ako.
Come back.
5%
Yo,
yung
defense
isa,
northeast.
ingat
Defense northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the gate only. Kilis. Come back. Full defend now. Full defend now. Come northwest. NW. Hold them. NW. Okay. Ready, ready. Come north again. Spread again north side. Spread north side. Careful overall. Spread north side. Okay. Yo, ready to open the chest,
29% tong nasa...
Yeah, just hold.
Nag-gold yung dalawang grupo.
Yo, take west side here. Take west side, okay?
Gold side.
Hold lang.
Dalawa sila yung mag-headbutt tong dalawa.
Yo, get ready. South over the wall, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South over the wall. Okay, come back. Hold down north side, okay?
Holding pa rin yung BM.
Lead healer dito sa east side. Isa lang.
Yo, 20 seconds.
Nagagis
East side, Okay.
South, pile.
Come back. River. Yo, be careful over the wall, Just hold. You're ready to open. Open lang, okay? Open lang.
Ingat sa shallow, East side.
Hold down north side. Hold down north side, boys. Okay. Yo. Def tanks, you can leave east side.
Sa courtyard na.
Come west side, okay? Yeah.
Nagpo-wall coalition.
Okay, open the chest lang. Then we're gonna full push this, okay? Open lang.
Open up.
Okay, walk up with me. Everyone walk up with me, okay? Wait. Come back now. Ito na si BM. Come back. Walk me. Look at southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cut over the wall. Come back. Ready defenses. Come back north side. Okay?
Looking DFD.
Now, defenses now. Defenses. Okay, heal up. Come north lang. Okay, where's the FD? Okay?
Oh, shit.
Come back. Oh, you got
Sila.
the longbow. Damn. Yo, loot up. Okay? Just hold here. Let them come in. I'm waiting.